Hey, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing. So, in this video, what we are going to cover is the stale opportunity automations in GoHighLevel. Now, this is perfect for re engaging leads um, through your marketing content or sending internal notifications to your sales reps in order to get follow up from those leads and um make them do a decision. So now, what is a stale opportunity? It's an opportunity that has been inactive in a pipeline stage for a while. Meaning, for example, you as a sales rep or a business owner had a contact with a lead, and after 3 or 4 days, it just got cold. There was no engagement. So in those 3 or 4 days, we need to send them some content just to make them engaged with our business. Now, stale opportunity automation comes handy in this scenario, right? Because this is a way to either follow up with them or send the details of those particular opportunity names to the internal department or internal sales team to get a decision or get some action with them in order to make them warm, right? Now, in this video, we are going to do an example where a lead is actually stuck on a contacted stage. And after 5 days, we want to re-engage with them with our marketing content. And then we are trying to get an appointment booked with the help of these re-engaging marketing content, right? So if a response is received from the workflow or the lead, we can update our pipeline stage from contacted to appointment booked or warm lead. If not, we can then assign a task to our sales rep to follow up with that particular lead. Okay, so just get started. So in the contacted stage, there is a lead, and we are supposing that we have talked to this particular lead 5 days ago, and now in we want a decision from that particular lead. So we are going to use a stale opportunity automation to do that. So starting with a workflow. Now, this will be a workflow for stale opportunities. Okay. And the trigger will be so stale opportunity, right? Stale opportunities here. And we need three things. We need the pipeline name in here, in pipeline, so which is test. We need duration in days, meaning that how many days have passed that there is no activity between the business and the lead. And the third one is um, pipeline stage in which that lead is currently residing, right? So once that is done, so our main thing was here. We have done this part. Now we are going to send them marketing content here, okay? Um, and we are going to send them an email, right? Let's suppose we are doing it for a plumbing company. So we can say that why we are the best plumbing company in um, Boca Raton. Okay, and then we can give some testimonials. Here is a testimonial from Haley, um, and here is a here is another problem solved for Higgins. Okay, and then we are just saying that if you can you can book an appointment today, you are going to get 10% off, right? So um, this is how things are, right? So the first email or the marketing content has been sent. Now what we are going to do according to our example, if a response is received, we can update the pipeline stage from contacted to warm lead, right? So now if a response, which will be wait, we can just wait 1 minute for this particular example because we can add more days here, but just to get the execution properly done and to let you see that how this thing work, I will just set it up to 1 minute. All right, and we need an event in which the contact replies to a certain step, that is email. um, that's it. Now, what will happen when a contact replies to an email? What we are going to do is update the opportunity from pipeline is test, okay? And if opportunity found, we are going to update the opportunity, update the pipeline stage. Pipeline update. I think it will be opportunity. Yeah. So update opportunity. Okay. Add fields. Pipeline again test, and we are going to change the stage from contacted to appointment booked, right? And that's it. And if not, then we are going to notify our sales team to follow up with them via email or phone or something, right? Follow up with the contact first name, right? ASAP, right? So it makes complete sense, right? Because, okay, so custom email, we can, or particular user, right? We will give, okay, contact with the contact first name, ASAP. And it makes complete sense because what is happening is, um, sorry, this will be here, not there. So we can delete this part, okay? All right, so what is happening? The opportunity is stale for 5 days in our test pipeline. After 5 days, it will send an email, and the basic purpose of that email is to book an appointment. If they reply to the email that they need a discount or something else, uh, so they will be updated to appointment booked, pipeline stage. And if not, an internal email will be sent to our sales team that they need to contact them ASAP. So we can publish it, right? And we are going to test it right now. Okay. So run a test, and we just want to see the execution, and we can open up here. You see, email has been sent, so I'll reply to that email. Okay. Yes, please. Okay. We can send a reply. So we are sending the reply right now, and you can see we have just sent the reply from my phone. So we are seeing that what is going to happen is that the opportunity stage will be updated. Here you can see it has find the opportunity, and if I go in here, so you can see the appointment has been booked, right? Otherwise, or I mean, from the builder you can see if I have not replied because I am the lead, so it will be going into this stage where our sales team will be notified. So this is a very uh, you know, concise and time effective way of re engaging with your leads in real time and making proactive decisions, such like that, and workflows like that can make you big sales. So if you guys are in assistance with any type of go high level work, workflows, funnel building, or any type of marketing solutions that you need, you can contact us. All the things will be mentioned in the description section. Thank you.